So guys, so I'm gonna put the camera right there. Let's go.
Alright.
Gucci man.
Oh yeah, and we also got some like $1,000, right, bro?
Yeah. Wanna open the sunroof or what are we doing? Bro, we finna go. What are you doing? Alright, let's put the camera somewhere. Say like right there. It's good. Alright, so do something like this. Nope. Two up. Alright, let's put it up. That's a little tint. No, can't see me. Alright, let's go. That's Gucci man.
Oh yeah, I have to win this. Alright, I need to win this lottery ticket thing. Let me check on YouTube. Alright,
Bro, get
welcome
out.
to the lottery.
I'm finna mess it. Wait, wait a minute, so we get out. Hold on, I'm finna let you out.
Alright.
Real quick, bro. I gotta
Your
do
winning
something.
numbers are
We gotta do
14, 39, 40, 24, 19, 4, 17, 29, 38. Come on. Thank you, bro.
Gucci.
Alright.
Oh shit.
I think we're all y'all good.
Oh yeah, buddy. Some heat.
So,
I'm finna go there. Bruh, last time at nighttime, we couldn't see none of this shit. When I'm in the morning, see it. See
tomorrow
me.
we have school.
Who cares about school? We're kids. We never go to school. We're like that. Skirt, gang, stuff like that.
Yep. Hold on, let me put some radio music.
Baby.
Baby, baby, baby. Oh, fuck this shit. Baby.
Where's the trunk, bro? I got where's the trunk button? So,
Go ahead.
that's the trunk button. We're gonna see something. You stay right here in the car. Stay right there in the car.
Got it.
Stop messing with it.
Right. Alright, it's done?
Yeah, close it.
Alright. There. It's locked.
We're your parents.
Yep.
Where your dad and mom, bro?
Oh, they died.
They died.
Yeah, so I'm just home alone. Oh, yeah, they went.
They went to work.
Yeah. But they died like a long time ago in 1996. Today's 2022.
They got shot. Play a lottery ticket.
I just won, bro. I just won $250. So fuck
Bro, you know they ain't gonna pay you that money, right?
yeah, they paid and Fox News.